Okay, hi everybody. So today I'm just going to do something a little bit different. Um, I've been watching some individuals with colored inks, and I've been watching individuals with watercolors, and I thought I would try something. So I ordered this item. It is put this down real quick here. It is a glass pen, a glass dipping pen, and some inks. So I thought I would try some experimenting. So I'm going to start off with, I don't know if I'll need this, getting this, what this is I have the Strathmore mixed media pad, and it is a 400 series, and it's 14 by 11 by 14, and it's 15 sheets. So I'm starting with that, and I just cut it in half. So now this is a 7 by 11 sheet of paper, and then I've taped it down. But anyways, I bought these inks, and what I'm going to do is, because there's a lot of really creative individuals out there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this paper wet, and I am going to use this little, I think it's called a pipette, and I'm going to just take some out and drop it and see what I get. And then after that, I think I'm going to attempt to maybe draw on it or color on it. So we'll see. But right now, you can just watch what I'm doing. So this little set comes with a lot of little things. Comes with the little holder. Comes with the pen, which is very pretty. It wasn't expensive at all. This thing cost me, I think, like $21. So I got the pen, the little cradle for it to sit in, 4 colors, a little well. I think this is for rinsing, for water. It could also be for getting this, so it comes with a dipper, so it could be taking the ink out, putting it into the little well, and then using it. Or this could be used to rinse the ink if you dip straight into the bottle. So we're gonna explore all of that. So anyways, let me get that out of the way. Okay, so a couple of paper towels. I've got my little water container. I've got taped it down. I have these 4 colors. So what we have is camel, which I'm assuming is kind of a brown, and ostrich, which is like a purplish color, giraffe, which kind of looks orange, but on this here it kind of looks like a peachy pink color, I don't know. And then this hippopotamus, which is blue. Now they all have this gold glitter, and one of the things in the review they were saying is that the glitter settles to the bottom really fast. So I don't know if the glitter is going to actually work. but that's okay. I have gel pens, so I've got lots of glitter if I want. I was thinking about getting some of those watercolors. There's a couple of them out there that have some really nice metallics. So, okay, and then, oh, and then I got this. This is just, it's just water in here, but it sprays a real fine mist. And then I got 70% rubbing alcohol, because I might want to put a couple of drops on it and see what it does. So this is an experiment, and we're going to see how well it goes. And I'm happy that you're here joining me. So let me sit down. This will probably make it better for me anyways. And oh, this is a little rubber cap. It's a little rubber cap there. Okay. And this is the camel. It really does kind of look like a blackish brown. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it looks kind of like a, not quite black, but close. And then this one is the purplish color. I think. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of got a little bit of a purple color to it. Keep everything organized because those two are pretty dark. And then of course, you know, I'm gonna be wearing some of this, so I'm trying not to get any on my surface. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna get it wet. And I have a couple of brushes. I did a little thing with the Let's Make Art. So I got a couple of brushes from there, and it was a 6 and a 2. And then I have this other, and this is the Princeton Neptune, and this is the number 10. I got this one just to get the paper wet. So let's see how this goes. So I'll just get it wet first. This is media paper, so it's not watercolor paper, but hopefully it will work, because I don't know what I'm doing. I have to spend money on watercolor paper when I don't even know what I'm doing. So, indeed. Indeed. I hope everybody is having a really wonderful day, or had a wonderful day. Yeah. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, my time. I'm in Southern California. Okay, so this is pretty wet. You probably can't see it from your angle there, but from my angle, it is pretty wet. So I'll put that over there. All right, so let's start dropping some colors in. To look too uniform, so Wow. I can't tell you how satisfying that is to watch that. Very, very nice. That was the ostrich color. I'm just rinsing between so I get more of a clean color. Go over here into the other one and just dump that dirty water into that one side. Let's try the orange, see what kind of chaos I can create here with that. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Okay, that looks good. Oh, I went inside. Like that. Okay, so let's try this darker color. Just, it does have a tint of blue to it, it looks like. So just a little bit maybe in the corners. Tiny drop. Wow, that is really dark. Okay, so it's just, if I mix that, it's kind of watered down. Got kind of a grayish brown color. Looks pretty cool. Wow. Okay. So that is that. So let's see how it would look if I spray it. Get some of this into the edges. And then let me just pick up some of this color. So if I pick it up, what do we get? Look how dark that is. Woo. Okay, I like that. Just putting this all the way around just to, you know, get some texture in there. Oh, let's sprig it. Put that bobbette, pipette. I mean, I like that. I'll put a little bit of. Okay, I think I'll stop with that. And see what we can do with it. I don't know what I'm doing. Right. No idea what I'm doing. I'm kind of curious as to how it's going to dry. I like this area is like not very. Some of these areas, the sides didn't get. Oh, that's good. Just want to get some color in there. Like that, huh? Okay. All right, I think that's about all the paper can handle. So we're gonna just let that dry. I'll probably soak up some of this water. Oh, I know what I could try to do. Soak up this up. Mm. Well, I'm probably wasting a lot of it, but that's what happens when you experiment, right? I like doing that right there. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna let that dry, and we'll come back and see what it looks like at that point. You know, from my point of view right here, I really like the way it looks. I'm looking at it upside down, but I like the way it looks. I'm looking at it like this is the sky area. Oh, is that a river or creek. So we'll see. We'll let it dry, and I'll be back in a little bit. There you go. All right, so it's not completely dry, so I'm going to let it finish and then get back to seeing what it's going to look like. So we'll see what it looks like when it's 100% dry. So I'll come back when it's finished drying. Okay, so this is what it looks like from this side. I go in there, you can see. You see the dark little spot right there? That's because I used that little pipette and I ran it along the wet paper. It's like a little dark line, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but we'll see. Let's look at it from the other side. So this is what it looks like from the other side. And you can see the glitter in there. Yeah, I think that's it. It's a little bit of it. A little bit of it right here. You can see just a teeny bit of glitter. But yeah, this is from the pipette. I scraped it along there, soaking up that extra liquid. But you know, if I didn't try it, I wouldn't know what to do. So if you do try that, don't scrape it. Just try to avoid that damaging the paper. Let's see if I can make something out of it. So anyway, so that's what it looks like